Good morning and happy Friday. As more and more companies turn to robots to automate their workflow, a Nampa business continues to grow. House of Design creates intricate robotic systems for manufacturing companies across the country. I met the team of engineers with many innovative ideas made in Idaho.
We have fun with robots is what we do here.
Engineers at House of Design think outside the box.
Our main purpose is to help manufacturing companies have different ways to manufacture their products.
The Nampa company uses ABB robots to build custom automated systems for businesses in all sorts of industries.
The robot can be fast, it can be repetitive, it does the same thing over and over again. So we identify those spots in their process and then we design a new solution.
About 7 years ago, Ryan Oakleberry and Shane Dietrich started House of Design in the Small Business Development Center. They've quickly grown and just moved into a new 36,000 square foot facility.
We had an opportunity to start something new, something different that we both were passionate about. I guess we like the word disrupt. Disrupt the way people think.
When Ryan and I started, I think it was, we thought, 5 people. We might have 5 employees, and we just hit over 45. So it's fun, exciting, and scary at the same time.
The House of Design team is working on more than a dozen different projects at one time. Among their most recent, a robotics system that makes Keen shoes and a packaging system for iClick pop sockets.
A lot of kids have the pop sockets on the back of their phone. We built a system called a flex bagger that helps put those things into the bags that you see hanging on the shelves.
The creative technology is made in Idaho and installed all over North America.
I always love seeing people's face when they say, "You do robotics and you live where?"
The industries that we are going into and disrupting, they're huge, high growth industries. And we want to be a part of that. We want to continue to grow and change those industries and what they're doing. They really are doing a lot of cool things. House of Design also loves to give back to the community and support STEM education. Their employees make classroom visits and work with local robotics teams. So you can find out more online at thehouseofdesign.com. We also have a link on our website, 6underside.com, later this morning. Now, I had to ask them, what do you say to the people who ask you, why are robots taking over all our human jobs?
Oh, yeah.
But they said it's a misconception because they're creating jobs as well to get these robotic systems in place.
True.
So it's all the way you think about it.
So until the robots can create themselves, humans are good.
Then we should worry.
Okay.